Good lawnmower morning, everybody. Who mows the lawn at 8 o'clock in the morning in the rain? Apparently, Eastern Canadians. It is now 8:40 in the morning. Breakfast finishes in 20 minutes, which is very uncivilized. But who's complaining? This room cost $40 a night Canadian, and it includes breakfast. So I have not yet showered, but I'm just going to go downstairs, hope I don't scare people, have some breakfast, then we'll come back upstairs, have a shower, and then there are some art galleries to see this morning while it's raining, and then this afternoon we can do a little bit of walking. So let's go get some breakfast and then get this day started.
Nobody quite like you, got me falling through and through. Straight to the top, I'm tumbling, my roller coaster's rumbling. Can you please explain why I'm acting out my brain? Oh, I've never been like this before. Oh, why did I wait so long to soar? I can't help but always think of you, of you. Every day my dreams are coming true. Yeah, you're an act of God, baby. Like rain pouring down, thunder in the middle of the night. Lady, oh, I'm so excited. You're enchanting me with everything you do, baby. Like rain pouring down.
Well, this is where the Lieutenant Governor of New Brunswick lives. There's no gate, so I'm guessing you can just walk up to the front door? I'm hoping you can anyway, otherwise I'm about to get myself into some trouble. They said no. Well, technically they do have guided tours that they do around the building every hour, but not today. All of these very nice official looking cars are because there's something very nice and official going on inside, and apparently they forgot to invite me, so go to the art gallery instead.
You're enchanting me with everything you do, you do. I don't wanna let you go, hold my hand and you will know. But you never thought a girl could feel like this. Well, I never thought that I could feel like this. Now it's plain to see that you belong here with me. Sometimes things aren't meant to be explained. Afterwards, you'll never be the same. You're an act of God, baby. Like rain pouring down, thunder in the middle of the night. Lady, oh, I'm so excited. You're enchanting me with everything you do, baby. Like rain pouring down, thunder in the middle of the night. Yeah, baby, you're enchanting me with everything you do, you do. You're an act of God, baby. Like rain pouring down, thunder in the middle of the night. Lady, oh, I'm so excited. You're enchanting me with everything you do, baby. Like rain pouring down, thunder in the middle of
eu queres? Turning to blackness, to blackness.
Well, it is obviously late in the day. Who knew that Fredericton had so much to do with the Camino de Santiago? That took me completely by surprise today, but it was a nice surprise. So I knew I liked this town for a reason. But we cannot stay here, unfortunately. We need to move on. So tomorrow we will head to another town, but I will tell you about that tomorrow. Until then, I will say good night. I will see you in the morning. Good night.